Lou? Yeah. Easy, isn't it? Around the tree, look. Very neatly done. Right, so it's beautiful Monday morning. That's why he wasn't here Friday, because he was hammering it down. So yeah, we're gonna crack on. I'll put you on time lapse and perch you on this wall here. And see, he's actually doing some work for a change.
Hello, so we've got all the board around. That's a bit of a pain trying to get all that doing, quite a lot of work involved in there. Now we're on the infill on these ones, because it's a wider deck. We're gonna have to join them all, because these are only coming in at about 3.4 meters, so we're going to join them all. When we join them, usually just cut a 22.5 degree cut on there so that it slots in nicely. I don't know if you can quite see on that one. It just helps if you've got any expansion and that sort of thing. It just helps a little bit. It doesn't show up quite as much as if you've got a straight joint. So yes, we're going to just rattle on, stick you on time lapse. We're going to rattle on through, try and get most of this done, and then we'll start getting on with the steps around the front. Yeah, you feel that? So we've got all the top deck done now. It does just take a long time doing this hardwood decking because you've got to pre-drill it and screw it and all that sort of thing. So basically that's taken 3 of us all day to do all that.
And we've got the side done.
So, well, we've got the same.
All the sides done.
But yeah, I got the gravel in around the back as well, that sort of thing. So just got to, we've just got the front steps to do next, and we've got a bit of a pergola to make at the front here as well. So it gives a real nice finish. It's
Nice dance floor.
just whether the budget can stretch, that's all. So we'll be back to do the steps. Sorry.
That's the end of day 6.
That's the end of day. Is it 6 or 5?
5. 5. Feel like we've been here forever.
So that's the end of day 5. So one more day. We're hoping we'll get it all sorted, and we'll be out of here. So we're back again. We've got the 3 posts. Holes dug out, and
1 post,
put
2
these
posts,
6x6 in at the minute, just trying to work out our distances and trying to get them plumbed up. So we're going to get, before we concrete, because there's going to be a pergola running across here, a triangular one, we're going to just put the posts in first. We're going to fix our sort of ring beam around to hold them in place and level, and then we can concrete. And I think that's going to be easy.
Yeah, we've got another one going over there in that corner.
So we'll get cracking on that. So we've got the posts now, they're all concreted in. We've got our frame running round, which is not easy to set because this isn't square in any way, shape or form. But
When you say it isn't square, we're going off this this wall.
off, yeah, off the decking, but then this wall runs out, so it's yeah, just got it as square as we can. And then on that front edge, I've cut the notches out ready for our cross pieces to sit into. So that's the next bit really. We'll sit those on there. Can't do these ones at the back yet because they're going to be at a funny angle with this shape. So we'll mark them out, cut those, notch those, sit those in. So that's all the timbers almost in. Just Lewis doing the last, you can see him there, I'm doing the last bit, notching out up there. That's all those in. Just need to tidy up the posts down here, the bottoms of the posts, and get these, check where I'm showing you, get these steps finished off now. Okay, so we finished all the pergola and the steps now, so we'll give you a little tour of it all finished. So we've got a nice big decking area up here now. It'll need oiling, that sort of thing. We've got these all sorted. The owner's going to then grow. The idea is to grow this up and over the top of all this. So they'll get quite a nice bit of shaded cover in there. Normally on these ends here, I'd usually run them out a bit longer, but we're about on our limit there. That's a 6 metre length there, so I couldn't get any bigger than that. So that's the way we've had to do that. Once all the clematis climbs over that, we won't see that anyway. So. And yeah, and then there's the other area we did earlier. A few more pots on there. It's a bit more lived in. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully you'll see us on the next one.